Here we go.
When you go to college for voice, you have to learn the diction rules for pronouncing 6 different European languages. One of those languages is German. And you don't learn how to speak the language, you just learn the rules for singing the language. So for German, which is what you need to know about for your Schubert piece, we have to learn to make mixed vowels, which is something we don't do in English. So we're going to practice making one mixed vowel today. This is what I do. I start with my lips spread really wide like this and make an E sound. E. E. Try again.
E.
And then I leave the inside of my mouth the same. Without moving anything on the inside, I'm going to slowly scooch the corners of my lips together into an U shape. And I'm going to keep sustaining the E sound like this. E. Then I stop, crease my lips, and I go E. Like
E.
that. So try again.
E. E.
And again.
E. E.
So try by yourself.
You
do it.
Okay, so, straight face. E. E.
E.
E.
Really bring
Like
your
sort of.
corners
Okay.
of your lips together.
E. E.
Yeah, that's a good one.
All right.
So E on the inside and oo on the outside. Any questions?
Not especially.
Okay, you can push the square.